Okay, so the website that I chose to do is called English Media Lab, and it looks like it's mostly ESL interactive stuff. So, um, for phonemes, I did pronunciation. The pronunciation tab, that's got a lot of helpful stuff, kind of cool. Um, there's first videos, which some are more helpful than others. There's stuff on diphthongs that are kind of interesting. I do like in their video. Like, let me fast forward. They have two angles
My mouth
of like her
changed
face.
from the beginning to the end of the sound. Listen and watch. Ear. Now you try.
So it gives you a better view of her mouth, how she's moving her tongue and her teeth and whatnot, and helps them pronounce diphthongs, which are a little bit more of a struggle to pronounce. And then they have exercises as well, and these are mostly fun. The ones that say quiz tend to be not so great. Like, I don't know how helpful they are, even, honestly. But the ones that don't say quiz are a lot of fun. Like, one in particular, intonation, English intonation exercise. It's pretty neat because it you have to say what the actual meaning is behind what people say.
Hi, honey. I'm home.
So, is he worried about being home? Is angry to be home? Excited and happy to be home? Sad to be home? He sounded excited and happy, I think. So, oh, incorrect.
There's something I need to tell you.
So she obviously sounds nervous, and so she doesn't really sound sad. So nervous and sad, or nervous and afraid. I think nervous and afraid. Yep.
It's about our son.
She was like staggering a lot, so maybe we'll see what the choices are. Sad to tell her husband something unpleasant. Angry and wants to tell her something bad that their son did today. Hesitant and anxious to reveal something shocking. Hesitant to reveal very great news. She's hesitant, definitely. Anxious to reveal something shocking, I think. Yep.
Is he alright?
Is he alright? Sounded worried you might hear something bad, maybe? Oh, I was incorrect. One thing I don't like about this is you can't go back and like figure out what the actual meaning was. It won't let you retry, so that's kind of weird.
Patrick, he's not your real son.
Oh my. Um, nervous, unhappy to cause this pain. Anxious to tell him something. Here you did tell him something. Happily afraid and nervous, but revealed at the end. Relieved at the end, excuse me. I think maybe that one. Yeah. Yep. What? Like, you know, shock and disbelief, probably. Yep. So, that one's kind of fun to do. Another one is, oh, this one, odd word out. It shows you have to pick the word that it doesn't rhyme with the rest. So rhyming has a lot to do with phonetics. So like go, so, no, do. So do doesn't rhyme, obviously. So that one. Cleared, heard, beard, feared. Cleared, beard, feared. So heard doesn't fit. Shoes, goes, nose, toes. Shoes does not rhyme. So that's pretty much it. They also have stuff on a couple different, quite a few different categories other than pronunciation. So it's kind of a fun website to mess around with. So that's it.